Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined us today. Today, we are going to be making a mayo chickpea sandwich filler. I'm telling you, it is delicious. Have you ever been into a sandwich shop and you can't find anything for vegans? This is it. This will satisfy you. Don't forget to contact us with all your inquiries for our virtual kids cooking sessions. Today's ingredients are onion powder, chives, garlic powder, vegan bouillon, vegan mayo, chickpeas, parsley, spring onion and celery. The first thing we're going to do is put between 60 to 100 milliliters of vegan mayonnaise in a bowl. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of chives, half a teaspoon of parsley, a quarter of a teaspoon of onion powder, and then a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're going to mix that really well together till it's all combined. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of bouillon, mix that together, and then put the mayo to one side. We've already prepped and washed the celery, and now we're going to slice it long lengthways and then chop it up really small so that it's in tiny little cubes. Once we've finished chopping that up, we'll put it into a bowl and then just put it to one side. We're going to do exactly the same thing with the spring onion. We're going to slice it lengthways and then make sure that we get that chopped up really nice and fine. And once it's all chopped up, we're going to put that one side. Once we've done that, we're going to pour off the liquid and rinse the chickpeas, put them in a bowl and mash them thoroughly. So, I quite like mine very fine, so that's how I mash it. To the mashed chickpeas, we're going to add our spring onion and our celery and combine all of these ingredients together. Next, we're going to add our mayo ranch dressing to the ingredients, and we're going to mix that together until all of the mayo is combined with the chickpeas, the spring onions and the celery. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble our mayo chickpea sandwich filler. Firstly, we're going to get a seeded bun, place some lettuce on there. Then we're going to put a generous portion of our sandwich filler onto the top. And then we're going to add just a couple of gherkins on there. And then we're going to take the cover of the bun, put it on top, and voila, this is absolutely delicious. My children use it for their sandwiches, and you won't be disappointed. It is delicious. Thank you for watching this video today, and remember, if you use any of the recipes, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below what videos and recipes you'd like to see me do next. Thank you and see you next week.